How to install Steam client on Pop! OS Linux. Let's get started. Okay, as you know, you could install the Steam client through the Pop Shop, but these are flat packs, and I guess they're just kind of not as good as other formats like the deb file, for instance. So you see here you can install through the Pop Shop, but these are flat packs. So we're going to forego that, and we're going to just download a deb file from the Steam page and install that. Okay, so you go to the Steam page here. That's the Steam homepage, store.steampower.com. Little green button here, install Steam. And then here you can do Windows or Mac if you want. We're going to do this one, Linux. It's a deb file, okay? And it doesn't really give you a lot of options for archived versions or whatever. Just downloads a deb file right off the bat. Boom, deb file. Doesn't prompt you for anything. You can't even browse around and look for different versions or architectures or whatever. Just download. Just click the Steam install Steam button. It gives you downloads a deb file. Boom, that's done. Go to the term. Okay, I've already CD'd into the download folder. CD downloads. You can ls this to verify. Okay, here it is. That's what we just downloaded right now. Now I like to use the GDebi utility for installing deb files. GDebi, it's short for GNOME Deb Installer, I do believe. Okay, I already have it installed, but I'll show you the command for installing it in case you don't have it. I like it because it resolves dependencies and it's worked pretty good for me. So there you go. It's already been installed. It's already the newest version. Okay, we're good there. So we downloaded the deb file. I have GDebi installed. Okay. So I can stay right here, and I'm going to invoke the GDebi utility like that. You don't need any other flags or options or switches or anything like that. Just sudo GDebi, and then we'll pass in the Steam deb file just like that. That's the command. We're passing the Steam deb file into GDebi, and we're elevated as a root user in a sudo session. Okay, so we'll enter on that, and it gives you a couple sentences of what Steam is and whatnot. So we just read through that. Do I want to install? Yes. We're going to go yes and enter on that. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty smooth to this point. Now we've installed it, so I'm going to look for it in my application folder, which is where I would, expect for it to be. So we'll pop that open, and there it is. Boom, in the S's, Steam. Here's the Steam client here. So I'm going to click on that, and then I get this where it says, okay, we need to do some updating. So we'll enter on that. We'll authenticate, and it'll take a minute or so. So bear with me here. This is what you might see also if you install it on your POP installation as well. So it takes 15-20 seconds or whatever. So let's just watch it while it does its thing. Shouldn't take too long. Maybe like 10 seconds more or something like that. Pretty quick as it updates. Okay, that's done. Okay, enter on that. Okay, and then it's going to pop up. And I've already logged in. I have a Steam account of my own, so I've already logged in. It logged me in automatically, as you can see. So I'm already logged in. And that's it. There's your Steam client, desktop client, and whatever the version is. Here, you can check and everything. So yeah, since we installed it that way, I don't know if, since we didn't use the repos, I don't know if it's going to update or not with the update and upgrade. Otherwise, you just monitor the Steam website for new versions, or you can just come into the help here and and just poke around the menu items to see if there's a new version. And that's it. This is the deb file, and I know some member was having some problems, and somebody else said something along the lines of, maybe use the deb file. So this is the way to do it, and then some of those problems might go away because you're using the deb file instead of the flat pack. Okay, thank you. Let me know if it works for you.